Hey guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. This is HP Deskjet 2630. This is all-in-one printer. Nice gear, dope technology. You can print, scan, copy with this printer. This printer is using 304 ink cartridges. Okay, you can request for instant ink, free printing plan for ink to be delivered to your home address. Here what we're going to do, if you check my previous video, we unbox this gear, load the ink cartridges. What we're going to do right now is to load the paper tray for this printer. Okay, the paper tray for this printer is at the back here. It's at the back here, so you load the paper tray from the back here. Okay, so and if you look over here, you need to move this lever with various sections. So you move it across. Okay, if you see, you need to move it across from this end to there. Okay. So this is how to. So we need to load the ink cartridges. So you can load 4x6 and 5x7. What we're going to load right now is A4 paper for this. Okay. So if you want to load paper tray, okay, what you need to do is make sure you don't overload it. Okay, so don't overload it. Make sure that it's steady on and all the edges are steady and angle. Okay, so you use one hand and use the other hand to bring this cover out, okay, of the wear. Okay, so you bring this cover out of your wear. Okay, so use your left hand to move the cover out of the wear. Okay, and straight in. Okay, this is how to load. So make sure everything is straight in. Okay, and use this cover and cover it. Okay, make sure you don't overload it. Okay, this is how to load the paper tray for this printer. Okay, right now, so we load the paper tray. Okay, the next thing you see is, remember there was a light that was flashing here. Right now, the next thing to do is to connect this printer to Wi-Fi, and once you connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, okay, this blue light will be steady on. So the next thing we're going to do is to connect this printer to the Wi-Fi network. Right now we load the paper tray. We connected the ink cartridges for this printer. Okay, what we want to do is to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, and we do this via our mobile device. Okay, so I have my mobile phone here. We need to go to HP Smart app. Okay, this is how to do this. So I have my mobile device here. Okay, so we'll load the ink cartridges, okay, and load the paper tray. So what we need to do is you go to, okay, you go to Play Store, Google Play Store. Once you're in Google Play Store, you type HP Smart app. Okay, HP Smart app. This is HP Smart app. Okay, right now you can see HP Smart app is on my mobile device already. So what we need to do, you click open. Okay, and right now this is the HP. You need to download this first of all, and once you download it, then you click open. Right now you can see this printer is what we need to add a printer. Okay, so we need to add a printer. So this printer will be 2600 series. Okay, this is Deskjet 2630. Okay, 2630. Right now this printer you can copy, scan, print, okay, with this printer. So what we want to do right now is connect this printer to via wireless. Okay, and once you connect this wireless printer, the Wi-Fi will not flash any longer. I want you to see over here that right now you can see this Wi-Fi is flashing. You can see the Wi-Fi is flashing. Okay, but once you connect this Wi-Fi it will be steady on. It will no longer be flashing. Okay, so at the present time it is flashing, but what we want to do is to connect this so that it will not be flashing any longer. Okay, so let's do this. So what we need to do right now is to go to HP Smart app, okay, on the mobile device. So if you go to HP Smart app on the mobile device, okay, this is HP Smart app. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is to click look for available printer. Okay, so we need to add. You can see on top here, click add. So once we click add, right now it is searching for this printer. What it's doing right now is searching for this printer. So click add a printer. So once you click add a printer, here we go. This is HP Deskjet 2600 series. Is there? This is the printer. It's found. You can see HP 2600 series. Click add. Okay. Right now this is my home network. Okay. And so we're going to put the password for this printer. Put a password for this Wi-Fi network to connect this printer. Okay, so I have my Wi-Fi details here, which I'm going to do right now. Okay, I'm going to put my Wi-Fi details on this mobile device to connect this printer. Is what I'm doing right now. So you make sure the information you are putting is correct. Now once you put the information, okay, required, so what you're gonna do is click continue. So once if you click continue, and it's saying printer found. So this printer right now is found. Okay, it's preparing the printer. The other thing you need to understand is also this printer is preparing. The printer is already connected actually, because this Wi-Fi right now is steady, obtaining IP address. Okay, finishing connection right now is connected. Printer connected to Wi-Fi. You can see printer is connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, this printer right now is connected. I want to bring you across, okay, a bit closer to the printer for you to see that this printer right now is connected to Wi-Fi network. You can see the Wi-Fi here is steady on, also on the mobile device. Okay, the Wi-Fi is steady on also on my mobile device. It will show you that printer connected to Wi-Fi. This is my home Wi-Fi network, and this Wi-Fi sign is also here steady on, so no, it's no longer flashing. This is how to connect this to the Inca Wi-Fi network. This is wireless, and this right now is connected. I want to recap what we did. What we need to do is go to Play Store, download HP Smart app. from HP Smart App, add printer, click add printer. Then once you see the printer, you need to put your password for your home network to be able to. Once you put the password for your home network, this will pick up the printer and it will connect right away. So this printer right now is connected to Wi-Fi network. Okay, please, if you're happy with what I've explained to you, do consider to subscribe. It helps us to grow. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.